Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continue today, we are going to discuss about how to become a virtual assistant and start making money. A virtual assistant is a freelancer who provides online support by working remotely. She provides service to individual organization. If you want to become a virtual assistant who earns money from home, you need to know the basics about how to become a virtual assistant and what skills you need. What does a virtual assistant do? In any business, there is a ton of work to do, but not all companies can hire a person for every task. So they often outsource some of their work to these virtual assistants. There is a variety of work for a virtual assistant to do, and there is no limit to this variety. I have tried to categorize all the tasks a virtual assistant does into 7 categories. Let us discuss it. Number 1. General Administrative Virtual Assistants. Administrative VAs are more like office secretaries. All you need is good time management skills and a good command over the regional accent of English. As a general assistant, you will handle telephonic inquiries, booking appointments, calendar management, database and file management. The second task is digital marketing virtual assistants. A digital marketing virtual assistant handles the online marketing campaigns of the company. They are further categorized into 3 forms: search engine optimization assistants, social media management assistants, content marketing assistants. As a digital marketing virtual assistant, you will be required to do the following work: plan, schedule and manage content, make campaign strategy, analyze the success, conduct competitive analysis. As a developer assistant, you will be required to do these jobs: design website, app or plugin layout, debugging and troubleshooting, uploading content, ensuring that the website or app is search friendly. The fourth skill is design virtual assistants. A design assistant is required to make the company website user friendly. As a designer assistant, you will be required to do these jobs: designing a business website, design flyers, business cards and other promo materials, product shots and product boxes, infographic designing, presentation design. The fifth method is writing virtual assistant. As a writing virtual assistant, you will be responsible for all kinds of content. Writing works sometimes a writing assistant also means data entry clerk. So make it clear during your interview with the client whether it is a data entry job or a writer job. As a writing assistant, you will be required to do following jobs: writing content for the keywords, editing and proofreading, make content plans. The sixth one skill is audio video editing virtual assistant. An editing assistant responsible for the awesomeness of audio and our video. But it, the background music or the removal of any annoying sound, everything is done by an audio video editor. As an editing assistant, you will be removing the clutter, adding CGI computer generated imagery, making the content audible or visible to the audience. The seventh skill, financial virtual assistant. Earning money is the ultimate goal of any business, but some founders do not get time to look after their finances. These financial assistant jobs are documenting all money matters, auditing document, analyzing account information, compiling asset and liability entries. Now the matter is, how qualified are you to become a virtual assistant? There is no professional degree required to become a virtual assistant. For example, if you want to become a general VA virtual assistant, you need to know the basics of working on a computer. If you are applying for a content writer or SEO assistant position, You must know the elementary rules of writing a good article. There are three levels of hiring a virtual assistant. Number one is basic. In the basic hiring, you do not have to have strong knowledge about the niche. Second one is specialist. You must have a special skills like writing, coding in a programming language. And the third one is expert. As an expert virtual assistant, you should have sound knowledge of your field and must have a good experience to showcase your expertise. Specific qualification may not be mandatory for becoming a virtual assistant, but there are few qualities which are prerequisite to be successful as a virtual assistant. Qualities you need to be a virtual assistant. To become a successful virtual assistant, you must possess these qualities. Good communication skills. Remember, you are working virtually. If you are not a good communicator, you will fail to make a connection with your client. Your client will not be satisfied. Attitude to adopt. In most cases, you will not work with the client in your time zone, regional dialect, or culture. You must actively clarify those confusions and have an attitude to adopt to your client's behavior. Patient. You must be a self-motivated individual. You should be passionate about completing your work on time. Honesty. Your client is dependent on you for the work she has assigned. You must be reliable for that work. But always try to solve the problem on your own and complete your assigned tasks on schedule. Honesty is the key to success as a virtual assistant. Ability to say no. There are times when your client will try to overburden you with unplanned or extra work. You can try to do that for a while to make your client happy. Your communication about your work should be sound and clear. Your client must know about your work schedule, and anything more than that should not be allowed. How to choose your virtual assistant niche? It is a hunting question for starters, but the most common answer is to do what you enjoy doing. Think about it like this: search for a virtual assistant job in a field you already know how to work in. For example, you can start a writing assistant and keep trying to design as a part-timer or a freelancer. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.